This is a live video of me making one of these basically. What is it? A bigger one of them. Tea light holder. Candle goes in there. We're starting with a block of wood, which is that. That's all it is. Just a block of wood. This one's had a bit of a bang about. I'll just turn the radio down because I can't have music playing. So what we're going to do is we're going to sand it down. This is a newel post. It's 4 inch by 4 inch cubed, and like I say, it's second basically. So I'm going to sand it down now with a nice 300 grit sand. It's been planed, it's PSC, it's planed up, plain square edge. So it just needs, well, actually it's a 600 grit. This will make it smooth like glass, and then I'm going to paint it, drill a hole in it, and then varnish it. Here we go. So what I've done there is basically I've smoothed it off. It doesn't matter about the stains on it because we're going to paint it black anyway. So this is actually going to be a black one. The hole that I'll do, or the dent for the candle. On this particular one, I'm going to do it in the grain. Yeah, I'm going to do it in the grain. Put it in the middle for the tea light holder to just sit about there. Right, just bear with me a second. I can't speed any of this process up for you because it's a live feed, but I would if I could. To find the centre, all I need to do basically is put straight edge corner to corner, mark it, corner to corner, mark it again, and you can't see it, but I have got a centre there, so I'll put the drill into the centre and slowly drill it out. You don't have to go the full depth of the wax candle. It's just for it to sit in there, so it doesn't have to be too far down. It'd help if the drill was in tight. For some reason, it's not. It was yesterday. That, to be honest, I'll do. It's just literally for that to sit there so it doesn't fall out. It's going to stand proud. Some of them are sitting side, but this one I'm going to have it just standing proud. So it'll be like that. A lot of mess, a lot of dust. So what I need to do now is I need to put something down so it won't get covered in dust when I paint it. It's actually ready to paint now. I'll put one coat of black on it. That's all it needs, just one coat. Spray it. Let's hope I don't get it on my camera. That's it. That's all I need to do. Leave it there now to dry. Once it's dry, I'll do a coat on top to give it a nice varnish. I have one that I made yesterday somewhere. Same colour, same size. Just can't find it. Oh, that's because the camera's resting against it. So I'll have to just move it out there and put a different one there. There you go. That's the one that I made yesterday. This one goes right to the... So the candle goes all the way in. But if you look at that, it's got like a gloss finish. Well, it has got a gloss finish. That's the varnish that I put on there. Same paint, exactly the same paint. I only did one coat. Because it's black, I don't prime it. And that will be dry in about 10 minutes. Once it's dry, off we go. I'll do the spraying. Now, I do these in different shapes, sizes and colours. There's another black one there, but it's a smaller one. So they can go as a pair if need be. So you've got one there, one there. That's two of them together. You've got this one here, which is, I haven't put the holes in this one yet, but that's a double. So it's going to have two tea light holders in there. That's exactly the same as one of them, but a different colour. If you can see there, that on the side, this is actually walnut, but can you see the smooth finish of it? It's beautiful. White doesn't look good. In fact, it looks terrible. So I will not be doing white again. Another one, walnut. Sorry, that's medium oak. This one's walnut. And this hasn't been sprayed yet with the varnish, so I'll have to varnish that one up. Now this one here is a different one altogether. It's a sandwich. It's going to have 3, maybe even 4 holes in it. It's sprayed gold. That is actually gold. And the sides are just normal wood, but it's hardwood. So hardwood there, pine in the middle, 4 holes, and that'll be a nice little tea light holder. I'm selling these in bulk in 10 groups of 10. This is a different one altogether, which is in gold. That has been varnished. I'm just not keen on the finish of it, that's all. The colour's fine. But there's another gold one that I've done as a step tiered. So you get two lights in there, one there, again in gold. That has been varnished. It's just a little bit messy, but these are just prototypes. They're just models that I'm making up. This is a popular one that I've done for many years. It's an owl. So basically, it's got the 2 eyes. There's no tea light holder in this, although I will be looking at possibly putting a hole in there, so there'll be one on the top. That can come as on its own or in a family of 3. You've got baby one, mother and dad. Nice shape for an owl. People love owls. Great presents. Now these here, I sell these at $14.99, but I'm doing them at £5 each, but you have to buy 10. It's great for market stalls and things like that, but you have to buy 10 at a time. The smaller ones, £4. Different styles, different prices, different everything. Now I've been talking because I wanted to let that dry. Now it's dried, I'm going to varnish it. Put a yacht lacquer on it. Now yacht lacquer, basically, it's a spray that goes on top of the paint and it makes it smooth. This paint is inexpensive. The lacquer cost me £2 for a tub like that. You'll get quite a few out of it, and a lot of coats out of it, to be honest. So this is just going to get one spray for now. I'll come back and do another one later. Turn it round. Camera. That's it, I'll leave it like that. In 10 minutes it'll be dry. Thanks for coming. Take care, please like, please follow, and you'll get notifications next time I'm on. And thank you very much. Cheers, bye.